right, so there you have it. It is absolutely secure. This is sewed down, and you can get your order in today on my website. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in. It is easy as 1, 2, 3. Remember, you cannot buy this online. It's not in stores. It's not in any beauty supply. It is only on my website. So again, as you can see, this is absolutely secure. Again, it will not slip, slide. It is stable and secure. There you have it. And I'm going to continue working on this. And you will see how this beautiful style is completed. Okay, family, so one bundle is already done. This is one bundle. This is 14 inches. And then I have a bundle of some 12-inch. It's my 12-inch bundle. So I'm about to start sewing in the second bundle, and we shall be done. We should be done with this in about 45 minutes. I should be able to sew the next couple of bundles on up here. And as you can see, I'm going around sort of like in a U shape. From this side to this side. And I will be back. When I come back, I'll probably be done. And that's going to be the end of this style. Quick and easy. All right, y'all. So it has been 40 minutes and I'm absolutely tired now. So I am not going to be able to finish. However, I do just have this much left to go. And I will be done. I am just going to call it a night because I don't like doing my hair when I'm super duper sleepy, because then I start messing up and I don't got time to be messing up. It's vacation time, vacay, and my hair needs to be on point. So this part right here is gonna be my baby hair. I'm gonna lay that down tomorrow after I finish that, and I only have this much left of my 12-inch. Remember, this is 12 and 14, and I have this much to do around the back, but I think it's gonna be just enough because I'm gonna put another layer here going around, and then another layer back here, up here going around, and then lay my closure on top, and I think I'm gonna be good. I think that's gonna work out perfect. If not, I do have another little piece of this other hair, and I might just have to throw that in here. So, but I think I'm gonna be good. But I'm tired now. I'm tired of holding my arms up, so that's gonna be in for tonight, and we will see how this style will come out. I'm loving this hair though. It's super duper soft. I'm loving these curls. This is gonna be absolutely cute, and it's not that long at all. As you can see, it's 14 inches, so it just stops right here at my shoulder. And hey, that's it. Got this thread, but I'm about to cut this and we're about to call it a night, and I will show you my end results tomorrow. Good night, peace, stay safe, stay blessed. Tees, braids, and weaves, West Coast finest. I'm out. All right, so here it is, my custom made elastic band closure. It is easy as 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I have a net on, and all I'm gonna do is go booyah. There you go. 1, 2, 3. You can do this yourself. Once this is on, I am going to sew this part of the closure down, and it is going to be absolutely secure. It will not move, it will not shift, and it will not slide.